This bitter chrysanthemum is also a delicious home-cooked meal. Eating raw not only does it help extinguish fire and oil, it also helps to remove heat and detoxify. First, remove the bitter chrysanthemum flowers and soak them in water for 20 minutes for a crisper taste. Then drain the water and transfer to a dark plate. Hand him a knife and then we prepare the onions. Cut into pieces, boil water in a pot, add 2 prepared eggs and boil them for him. After that, cooked and cut into bite-sized pieces, just 2 to 3 for good health, 2 spoons of MSG, white sugar. Then add half a spoonful of peach soy sauce, half a spoonful of rice vinegar, and finally, a little sesame oil. Next, fine chili oil, add 1 spoonful of garlic, dried chilies, add half a spoonful of black sesame seeds, stir with hot oil. Add the best seasoning, put in half the water of the vegetable basin and put the fried chili into it. Finally, I also want to remind everyone that when cooking dinner again, hug me like this. Dinner looked good, heartfelt, and delicious. Then stir the beans together and spoon onto a plate. And you'll only see me when I'm cooking. Thank you.